Let's be honest, our first script worked, but it was a total mess. The URL, the username, password, everything was hard coded right inside the code. It ran fine once, but what happens when we need to change our environment? We have to open the code, edit it, recompile it, and pray nothing breaks. That's not automation, that's a pain. So today, let's fix that right away. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're following this series, you know we are building our Selenium plus Java automation framework series from the scratch, resolving one problem at a time. In the episode 1, we wrote our first Selenium script that was a messy. In this episode, we are making it smarter by removing all those hard-coded values and replacing them with a clean, flexible config setup. Why this matter? See, in real projects, things changes all the time, like environment, URLs, credentials, and browsers. If those values are buried inside the code, every tiny changes become a headache. But if we keep them in one external file, see, if we keep them in one external file, we just update that file and everything still works. That's exactly what we are going to do now. Step 1, creating our config file. So let's start simple. Inside your project, go to src test resource and create a file name called config.properties. And let's add few values. Base URL is source demo and the username is standard user, password is secret source, and the browser is Chrome. That's it. This one file will hold all environment data. No more editing Java code for every small changes. Step 2, editing our config file. We will write a small helper class to read these values whenever we need them. Inside the util package, create a new file called config.reader.java and paste this code. Now we can grab any values from our config file with this one line, config.reader.get. Super simple, right? Step 3, let's update our script. Let's go back to our login test.java and clean things up. Let's run it. You will see the same result. The browser open, logins, closes, but now our script is clean. All the sensitive, changeable stuff lives in the config file. That's exactly how professionals manage their environment data. This is a small change, but it makes big differences. We just separated logic from the data, and that is one of the core principle of the framework design. It keeps things flexible, readable, and easy to maintain. The next episode, we are going to remove another bad habit. So if you want, hit subscribe and we will build the next part together. Thank you for watching episode 2. If this helped you, drop a comment below. And if you have any queries or questions, let me know in the comment. Share with your friends who's learning automation in Selenium. I will see you on the episode 3 where we make our messiest script get even cleaner.